All right, so we all know this happens to almost everyone. All right, almost everyone. Unless you're clumsy like me, almost everyone. So a while ago, a while meaning 3 years ago, I went ahead, bought myself some Studio 3 beats, and decided to, do my work with it. That's what I used to do my editing work with. 3 years ago, these bad boys broke, and the only way to fix them was to send it to Apple, have them charge me $200. For that, I could have just got a new one. So I waited patiently, and I bought me some Solo 3s, used that in the meanwhile. Like I said, we all get there. This happens to us a lot. I didn't know there was a way to fix it personally and cheaply. So I started doing some research and decided to go on Amazon to get some headbands. Spare headbands. The only thing broken with this is the headband. Instead of going to Apple and them having to charge you $200 for this, because both of these earbuds work perfectly fine. There's no purpose in me buying another set of headphones. So I brought these for $21.99 on Amazon. It's a freaking steal, right? Right? I hope so. So we're going to try to install these bad boys onto these beautiful Studio 3 beats. Let's go. All right, we're at the fixing table. Now, when you get these beautiful headbands, we're going to open it and see what comes inside. See if I give you guys a little ASMR here. All right, there we go. Pull this to the side real quick. All right, so to buy these, you get the amazing headband with the Beats logo already on it. Sexy, sexy. I know I kind of mixed up the colors a bit. Obviously, I should have gotten the white ones, but originally I wanted to get the black ones, but they were like more expensive. Obviously, because black color is a little more expensive than the white one is. And we also get inside the screwdriver we need to take these bad boys right off the beautiful and wonderful screws, which is good because I don't know if you can see it here. Let's see it here. One of my screws is already missing, so super happy that those come with screws already. So yeah, right off the back, not a lot of things come inside the box, just simple headband with screwdriver and screws. At least you get the Beats logo. What I'm going to do first is bend it. You want to bend this part so it can come out easily. If you just leave it straight, it's not going to come out. All right, we're going to do the second part right here. Do the same thing here and take that bad boy out. It's that simple. Once you lower the flap, you'll be able to take the screws out with no issues. So just continue doing the same thing for both sides and you are done with this process. Next thing you want to do is make sure that this part right here comes off. You can either put your nail in there or, just take it out like so. Make sure this part comes completely off. You're going to hear clicking sounds. Those clicking sounds indicate that you are taking them out. It's going to be the same process as soon as you put them in as well. So don't feel like you're breaking it, because you're not breaking it. Part, put that on the side, and there we go. All right, your headphones should look something like this right now. So I'm going to put these here together, because you're only taking the band out. This is where the replaced band will be established. And so now we have that clear. Make sure there's no, mine still has a little bit of plastic there. You want to take that off. Yes, there we go. This is obviously the broken piece. That was rest in peace. All right, now that we got these situated, there's no debris inside here, nor here. So we are all set. Make sure that everything is good to go. Next thing you want to make sure is that the Beats logo is in the correct location from left to right. So this is going to be on your left side, your left earlobe. Oof. All right. So the B is going to be on the left side. The S is going to be on the right side. So bow. All right. Let's go. What you're going to want to make sure is that these screw lines right here, these screw holes match up with these screw holes right here. All right. So now that we have this band is placed here, make sure that we have the silicone that we have from earlier, plus the cushion, because you want to keep the cushion. Right? The cushion is very important for your noggin. Right? Make sure this is stabled inside, perfectly fine and aligned. Now you're going to want to make sure that the lines itself go straight into this opening here. Okay, so let me show you how to do that right now. We're going to place it in just like so. So you hear the clipping. Once you hear the clipping sound, you're pretty much good. Clip, clip. As long as these things are inside of here like this, you are good to go. All right, just make sure that all that is embedded inside of here. Make sure that strap is nice and tight inside of that section here. Clip that in. Here comes the fun part, guys. Putting the screws back in. Put the placement screw inside of these bad boy. Screw it back in. You feel like it's nice and tight inside of it. Go. Now I'm going to generally use one of the screws because one of my screws were actually missing. So one thing is that this comes with extra screws that you can just place in there. Lay that there for a second. Screw that back in. One side is done. On to the next. Make sure that part is inside as well. As long as this rubber here is inside of here, it's pretty much all you need. You're gonna bend it back in, flip it out. Screwdriver is magnetic, so perfect thing. And there you go. Nice and stable. No issues. These things click back in perfectly. Click back out perfectly. We can safely remove this plastic that it comes with. Beauty of it. And just like new. Don't judge me. Color scheme is completely off. I know. And that is all to it, guys. $200 saved. Right? I can finally hear and feel my Studio 3 beats and get my money's worth. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel if you like my content. And that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, do the yada yada YouTube stuff. And I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.